Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Rain. With the monsoon in its full glory, the beauty of nature flourishes as the rainwater washes down the dust and frees the nutrients and minerals that foster plant growth, making them healthier. But sometimes this rain gets way too harmful for the plants. But excessive rain on plants promotes disease, often evidenced in stunting, spots on foliage, decay on leaves, fruits, or stems, wilting, and in severe cases, death of the entire plant. Extreme wet weather also keeps pollinators at bay, affecting bloom and fruiting. And in the previous video, we showed you that how excessive rain has caused death to many plants in our garden. Also, my mom had made a video on how you have to repot with proper media. Look, right now some plants are in poor condition due to heavy rain. Okay, today I will tell you some few tips on how to overcome waterlogging in your plants. These are very easy tips and very effective. Waterlogging in the pot does root rotting and the plants may die. So the first thing you will do is check if the plant's drainage system is proper. For that, take a very thin stick and poke the drainage holes like this. With this, the most of the water will go away. There is another procedure you can follow so that there is no more waterlogging in your pot. Take a plate according to your planter's size. Cut it until you have reached the center and put it like this. If it easily sets, then it's okay, but if it does not, then tie it with a thread. This is also a very effective procedure. Now this is the third trick. As usual, first we have to check our drainage system. Then take a stick and make some holes like these. This is because as soon as the water comes, it will go down and it will go out of the drainage hole. Also try to not hurt the plant's root by doing it in the side of the plant. According to your needs, you can make as many holes as you want. My mom is making about 4 to 6 holes. Also, the holes have to go till the bottom. Okay, now time to tell the next procedure. As ours is an open terrace, there is no shade over here. But if you have a shade, try to keep most of your plants in the shade. As usual, my mom has checked the drainage hole and is making some holes in the plants. But there is another trick after this. Get a big plastic bag like this and cover your plants exactly like this. And after the rain finishes, you can easily open the plastic. This will make your plant happy surely. Hope these tips will help you a lot. Do you know there is another channel known as Chhoti? There you can watch our daily fun moments. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.